Someone challenged us how to cook a budget recipe noodles of 10 ringgit. That's 250 of USD. We can only use item we bought with this 10 ringgit. And we can't use instant Maggi. No salt. No sugar. No pepper. No cooking oil. Huh? Why no oil? We go Chinese cooking. Going without oil. Can we do it? Challenge is accepted. Instead of 1 noodle, we're gonna make 4. Oh. 10 ringgit noodle recipe number 1. Fishball noodle corn soup.
Cream corn 3 ringgit. Rice vermicelli 180. Vegetable soup stock 1 ringgit 60 cents. Fishball 290. 1 egg C grade 45 cents. Total amount 9 ringgit 75 cents.
Soak rice vermicelli. Make it wet for 5 minutes. Blanch with hot boiling water. Put aside. Pour cream corn in the pot. There you go. Yum yum. Yum yum. Fill up 2 cans of water. 1. 2. Fill it up. Sky juice. Mixing soup stock packet. Yeah. Put to boil. Break your egg. Let's beat it. Beat it. Stir. Pour the egg. Slowly. Oh yeah. Pour in the fish bowl. Bring to boil. Ta-da! Wow. RM10 noodle recipe number 2. Pak chicken fried noodle.
Fresh chicken 3 ringgit 52 cents. Long beans 1 ringgit 84 cents. Dried egg noodle 1 ringgit. Fried onion 1 ringgit 10 cents. Fried rice powder 1 ringgit 50 cents. 2 eggs C grade 90 cents. Total amount 9 ringgit 86 cents.
Boil chicken until cooked. Then tear or shred it. Pour fried onions into 300 ml of water. Sprinkle the fried rice powder for flavoring. Egg noodles goes in. Break it to feed to your frying pan. Noodle will absorb the water as it slowly cooks. Add in the sliced long bean. Throw in the cooked shredded chicken. Cover to cook for 2 minutes. Let's mix. Time for the eggs. Cover until the eggs are cooked. Then mix again. Until most of the sauce has been evaporated. Da! It's ready to be eaten. Haha. RM10 recipe number 3. Pasta beef Prego sauce.
Prego cheese and herbs 4 ringgit 90 cents. Argentina beef loaf 2 ringgit 70 cents. Macaroni 1 ringgit 50 cents. Total amount 9 ringgit 10 cents.
Pour macaroni in boiling water. There you go. Take out the beef loaf. Cannot come out. There you go. Cut it in pieces. Open the Prego sauce. Yeah. Throw in the beef loaf. Stir. Stir and mix. Wow. Yes. Pasta is ready. ringgit noodle recipe number 4. Spicy fried noodle.
Fried onion 1 ringgit 10 cents. Fish cake 2 ringgit 70 cents. Dried egg noodle 1 ringgit. Wing beans 1 ringgit 14 cents. Prawn sambal 3 ringgit 10 cents. 2 eggs C grade 90 cents. Total amount 9 ringgit 94 cents.
Boil the egg noodles until softened. Strain out the water and put aside. Boil the wing beans until cooked. Pour half of the spicy prawn sambal sauce into hot wok. Throw in the eggs and stir. Add the sliced fish cake. Throw in the wing beans. Add in the eggs noodles. Mix well. Add in the rest of the sambal. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Stir for another 1 minute. Then sprinkle the fried onions. And the fried noodles is ready to serve. Which noodle recipe that you like most? Please comment below. Watch our noodle playlist for more inspiration. Thanks for watching!